Hi, this is Rose with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland. On today's episode, we have 3 topics for you. First up is a This or That Home Remodeling Edition. Next, we'll be asking the contractor, where do you start with a bathroom or kitchen remodel project? Lastly, we're going to define the term LVP, or luxury vinyl planks. Stay tuned. This or That Home Renovation Edition, Volume 4. A sliding door or a French door?
Well, that depends on where you're going to use the door. If you have a small area that you may have furniture to the right and left of the door, I would go with a slider because a slider doesn't have a hinge. It's not going to interfere with the furniture that's around the door. However, if you want it to have a nice large opening, because sometimes you're bringing large pieces of furniture in and out of your house, then I definitely would go with a French door.
A licensed contractor or an unlicensed contractor?
That's real easy. In the state of Maryland, it's the law that a contractor that works in your home has to have a Maryland Home Improvement license. So it's an MHIC license. And if someone is working without a license, they're working illegally, and if there's some issues down the road, it's going to be really tough to come to any resolution.
A knob or a lever?
I would go with a lever. The reason I would go with a lever is knobs are great. That's the round knob that you're very used to. But sometimes as you get older and even younger, if you have any difficulty at all with your hands or with grip, or even if you want to carry a grocery bag and then easily open the door at your elbow, I would go with the lever.
Today on Ask the Contractor, we want to know, where do you get started when you want to do a kitchen or bathroom remodel project? John, where do we start?
Sure. How we work with our clients, the first thing is we try to understand their motive. Why do they want to do the renovation, and what do they want to accomplish? The next step is we do an assessment of the existing condition. Take a look at the bathroom or kitchen or any part of the house that needs to be remodeled, and we may take some measurements. We just make an assessment of what we can actually do. The next step is to do a design. Once the design is completed, then we're going to work with the client on selections. Once we have all that information, we can then give you an accurate quote.
It's Terminology Tuesday, the day of the week where we pick a construction term and we talk about it. Today's term is LVP. John, can you tell us what LVP is?
Sure. LVP, that stands for luxury vinyl planks. It's a vinyl product that actually looks very close to wood. And the way it's installed, it is folded and snapped in place. It's very durable, and it's a lot less expensive than installing hardwood.
Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to like, follow, and subscribe to our page.